Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William Arnold India. Today, 16 September 2024. Please go through the disclaimer. Okay, let's begin with today's session. So if you look at the Nifty 50 setup, it continues to remain positive. Okay, and last week it made a new all-time high. So the Thursday session was something extraordinary. It found a very good support at this green line. The green line is the 21-day moving average. So I think for the rest of the month, the September series, the first support will be this one, that is 24K. Okay, 24,000, which is the green line, that is the 21 DMA. And God knows, I think if on Wednesday there is the Fed meeting, and if some unwanted outcome comes out, maybe we might breach 21 DMA, and then the next level of support will be somewhere around 700, that is 23,700. That is the red line. 50 DMA, it has also given a multiple time support. Okay, but I think the first focus as of now, not going for the news flow, what will happen, what will Fed do, what will they comment. Okay, the expectations are, I want to make it clear, that are 25 bips. Okay, if they don't do, that will be a disaster maybe for the market. But if they go with the 25 bips, I think there might be some normalcy returning after an initial volatility of 2 to 3% maximum side I'm taking. So yeah, that's what you need to take care of during this week. But broadly, 24,000 will be a good support over here. On the flip side, I think for a sustainable rally, we are moving towards that. So a couple of times around 430, 24, 430 for Thursday and Friday, both day we had some similar highs, 430, 440 around. So I think once we move around 450, we can cross 25,500, sorry, 24,400 level. And so there we can see a good rally from there. Okay, so 25,500 level. Yeah, sorry, this is I think 25,000 level. That's my mistake. Okay, and this one is 24,700. Okay, so these are some very close levels to watch out in Nifty. I think Bank Nifty has a very good space. 51,900 was the closing, and so it is still 1,400 points below its all-time high. So I think the focus will be now shifting to the banking stocks to reach the all-time high. And some key news, DMart's opened a new store in Madhya Pradesh. Here, this one is good one. The August passenger traffic was up around 9%. Okay, and from there, you see the Indigo regaining its market share. So now again, around 62.4% of market share is with the Indigo. SpiceJet market share dropped, making a fifth consecutive month of decline. Okay, and there's some positive news for Zydus Life, wholly owned subsidiary. It has signed an exclusive licensing and supply agreement with Vivid Pharmaceuticals for MRI contrast agent for the US market. Okay, one another thing which very important, I think you can also track for yourself, that overall turnaround over. Okay, that has been excellent. जो पिछले साल 2023 में पूरे साल में जितना कैश मार्केट में टर्न अराउंड हुआ था, ठीक है, उतना टर्नओवर सिर्फ इनिशियली अभी के जो अगस्त तक में हो गया है. So this is something extraordinary. So that will be positive for the listed equity, BSC, mind well, other exchange related stocks, CDSL and all. And I think the NSE IPO के talks हो रहे हैं. So if that comes, that will be also be a big hit in the market. Uh, so if you look at the global market updates, the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq all were up. Okay, 0.5 to 0.7%. Asian market, it's not open today. I think the Kospi, Shanghai, Nikkei all are closed in the today's session. So if you move ahead to the GIFT Nifty, it does indicate a positive opening. Looks like a new high. We can make it today itself because uh, on Friday, if you see the F&O level closing was somewhere around 373. Okay, so from that level, we are opening around 60, 70 points higher. So we will again try to, move about that 450 level, 25, 450 level. So that's possible maybe in the opening hour itself, because no negative cues from the global market, no negative cues from the domestic market. Okay, there might be some profit booking here and there, some choppiness, some volatility in the Nifty, but broadly it's in a good shape. Okay, the stock of the day, I was talking about the bank Nifty gaining the strength, and I think ICICI Bank looks prominent over here. If I annotate for you, the consistency in earnings, okay, is very good. Earnings and sales is good. ROE of 17%, that's perfect one. Even on a very high base, I think more than 2,000 shares, the fund holding is increasing over here. Okay, the EPS strength is solid. This is what I like about the stock. Buyer demand of A just near the breakout. Okay. One thing I don't much like was the RS rating. It's a bit poor, 45. But if you look from the August low, it has improved a lot. And so that is not a problem. So I think the upward trending RS line with all other factors in place, you can consider. The only thing is like this 1257, 58 is having some resistance over here. So for two back-to-back days on Thursday as well as Friday, the same level gave the resistance over here. So once we are at a fresh all-time high, okay, so that's when I think if it sustains about this 1260 level, you might see some good momentum coming in the ICICI Bank as well. It is breaking out of a perfect cup with handle pattern. Look at the volume accumulation before the cup formation was very good. Okay, there was some dull moment over here while it was at the bottom of the base, and now again there is some pickup in the volume on the right side of the base. So let's see if it closes to a fresh all-time high. These stocks can be in your watch list, and if you are research and your investment advisor does that, yeah, you can consider these stocks in the market. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.